Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my Boxycharm in, so I figured I'd go ahead and open this. I hope everyone's well and safe and trying to social distance or doing it. I've even resisted going, and you know I'm always like about the day after Easter going shopping for discounted Easter stuff for the next year. I have not even done that because I don't need to go to the store right now. I might have to by the end of the week to get more cat litter, but yeah. So this is what that box looks like. Boxycharm Festival. I think Coachella is supposed to be this month, right? Something like that. And if you don't know, the Boxy add-ons went live yesterday. If you're a premium or Boxy Deluxe subscriber or on the wait list, and went today for all the base box. And I decided not to subscribe to the Deluxe again, not right now, because the June one, like, your choice is between the Tarte palette, which is a good palette, like the Pro palette, like the big one, but I already had that, and I actually decluttered it because so many shades actually contain carmine in it that I really shouldn't have even been attempting to use it. Or a Kylie skin product, which I'm not interested in at all. I don't support them really. It does say Boxy pop-up starts Tuesday, May 12th. We shall have like more. It's different from add-ons. There's a lot more and varied prices. I'm hoping maybe it's good. However, they still charged me $5 shipping, and they weren't supposed to last time. I got the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice. This is a super hydrating gel, and I believe I wanted that. Ignore my finger. I was putting papers in a binder and it snapped on my finger and kind of was bleeding. So this is loaded with vitamin packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe, which is good. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. This vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. MSRP is $48. LMS is pretty expensive. I actually have a cream, and then I have this. I might use this now. I might wait a little bit. This is probably be really good for the summer once I start. You know, I'm starting to get a little bit more sun, but I'm thinking like first days of laying out if we even actually have an open pool this year. I don't know. But, or even, you know, just that kind of time, like in the summer, that's probably like great. And if you feel like it got a little bit too much sun, you can put it on with that aloe in it. So I'm excited about this. This was actually my choice. I retook the beauty quiz because they actually had different choice, like more choices, like they went more in depth now, so I would retake that if you can. A lot of the questions are the same, but then some were like ones I know I didn't recognize from before, and had like more options. But I got the Pore Professional Pore Primer Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. Oil-free, lightweight, translucent, silky. This is quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky, lightweight balm alone or under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative. Now protects skin from free radicals. MSRP is $32. You know, they did this because I think I said on my first profile that was combination skin. But honestly, I lean more towards dry, and except for my nose just can still get oily. It's been a lot better now, but I lean more towards dry, so I switched that option because I had a feeling I would love to have had the hydrating one. Now this one, I tried it years ago. It's been years, and I didn't really care for it because I didn't notice the difference in my pores, and it wasn't controlling my oil on my nose. But I've kind of got that under control that I don't even need my Becca right now. I probably will maybe in the summer, but I've got it so controlled with like just my skincare routine and my stuff that it doesn't break through my makeup too much. So hardly, like, so, but I'm thinking on the hotter days it might. So I'm tempted to try this, but I really wanted to try the, I don't know why I got an open box. The hydrating one, the dewy one. So I switched it to like, I had dry skin, or I would, yeah. But I might go ahead and give this a go since this is full size, 0.75 ounce. That's another reason you don't get a lot of the product. Like most primers are a full ounce. This isn't even a full ounce. I just have other ones, but I might give it a go. I mean, I've changed since a few years ago. I might like it now, but, or if somebody else has a hydration one and wants to swap. Next up is this. I think everybody got this. This is the original Makeup Eraser Sunset. Okay. I saw somebody like rainbow colors. This is a little different than makeup colors. The #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patent polyester, featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. This is $22. I almost bought a small one somewhere, like in a pop-up, or it was an Ipsy off or something. That's Sirius's tail. Say hello, Sirius. As long as I don't have to rub my face, I think I'd like this. Uber soft. It feels like a fleece blanket, actually. It really does. I'd have to see like if my face even likes that whole like, let's take off your makeup and like just rinse it out and use it again without washing. I don't know. I'm sure it's cool. I'll just have to figure out how to use it, but it's pretty. Really soft. I don't even use makeup wipes. Sirius is so close to scratching me. Sorry. He's trying to like plop down in my lap. Machine wash your towel. Machine wash before first used to activate fibers and prevent staining. Soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Use in sections. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times a week. Okay. So you just, like, you would wet one section, use it, and then use another one. Okay. Now, I'm less worried about it now, but, like, when I was younger, that would be probably, like, a huge issue with me because I mean, my skin can still be sensitive. But I'm cool with getting that instead of having to buy one. My mom might like that, too. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I use cotton rounds. I don't use, like, you know, makeup. Next up, we've got... This is from Hank and Henry. This is the Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. These beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all-over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for a fuller coverage. Haven't heard that before with a sponge. Okay, MSRP is $20. Midori means green in Japanese, if you don't know. Don't know if they mean like highlighter green, but okay, they don't feel like Juno & Co. Like little Hank and Henry's little owl design. They're dense. I would go for like wetting them anyway because I mean, they're just like really hard. A little hard, you know. I like the edges on this thing. That's interesting. And then this little one's like even edgier. Like really pointed. Let's just stab yourself in the eyeball. So always up to try a new sponge. The last thing, in this is from Lavish. This is a 5-piece neon eye brush collection. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. MSRP is $29.99. So you have this little thing. It's nice. I like how it's neon purple. I saw these brushes and I was actually really excited because they look really good. I mean, you got an angle for your eyebrows or whatever. Or even, I think you can actually do a wing really good one. Like, thicker one with a spoolie on the end. They're a little bit lightweight. It's not bad. They're not uber lightweight. Just a little bit. This one has a little bit longer hair on the edge right there, but it's really pretty. This is eye shading. That, like, heck, depending on what palette I used, you could not tell that it was stained. And I like this. Like, I don't have long fingers or a big hand, really. Like, I have kind of short fingers. It's, like, works for me, and they're small. Like, I like that. That's, like, my eye size. Like, I like that a lot. It's a really nice blending brush. Like, this is like what color my blending brushes usually get stained, because I'm always throwing an orangey pink kind of color in the crease, or a red. Just as taper blending, so that was really nice. This is a nice little pencil. That's exactly what it says. They feel nice too. They're nice and soft. Now this one's a true eyeliner. It says fine liner. That one needs to be washed. It feels like it needs to be washed. But yeah, it's really sharp and pointed, so really like pointed eyeliner kind of application. So I'm actually cool with these. These are nice. They're like for my size eyes a lot, or for really detailed work. Nice. We got sponges in this, or I got sponges in this. Some people did not get sponges, so I forgot what the other choice was, but some people did not get sponges. So overall, we're looking at 90, 120, 152 about for my $25 box. That's pretty good. Oh, and they're also Boxy Perks, Misguided Cute Clothes, Seek Wears, Next Level Fashion from $12. Misguided.com. Score 55% off your next order. Use code BOXY55. That's interesting. If anybody's interested in that. Hi, Sirius. I'm glad he jumps without his nails, because he could have just got me bad. Hi. Say hi, Sissy. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. There you go. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.